A esta hora continuam ativos 3 incêndios que deflagraram na quinta-feira na Guarda, Orem e Bragança.
O fogo de Severo do Volga foi dominado ao início da
Hi, welcome back in Portugal. Part 2 of the fan conversion, but it's not going that well. Not because of the fan, not because of the work I want to do, but because we have some bushfires around here, and luckily the paint was dry before all the ashes came down. There's a bushfire about 30 kilometers from here and one 40 kilometers from here, and for the last 3 days the clouds have been black. It's hard to breathe outside, still is. So yeah, people sometimes say, you know, you're still smoking, is that wise? Well, in the last 3 days we inhaled more toxic fumes than I could do with smoking a package of cigarettes each day for years. It's crazy. But that's how it is here in the summer in Portugal, especially in the center of Portugal. Lots of fires, and people just don't get it, you know. It's the eucalyptus forest that really like to burn. There's not much water in the soil because these eucalyptus trees take all the water out, you know, everything's dry, so yeah. So I have to do things that I can do inside the workshop, because out here it just isn't working. It's now about 8 o'clock on a Sunday morning. It's already, I don't know, 28, 29 degrees. It's ridiculous. So I want to install the roof light, but I'm going to do a few things before I'm going to cut the hole and things like that, because I think the roof light needs a bit of work before I can put it in. So let's go inside. Well, I bought a Fiamma Roof light. A lot of people use it, so why not use something that already has been used a lot. Came in the box, is fine, but the inside is cream, the outside is white, and luckily it was easy to take apart. Just to take 2 clips out, and then the glass part, the plexiglass part, comes off. So my idea is to sand this a bit, clean it, then put the special primer on that I've got for plastic, for PVC, and then paint it in the same color as the roof. Because why would you have a white thing sticking out? Yeah. So let's see if we can get that done and get this in the color of the roof. And by the way, later on I want to do that too with the brackets of the solar panels and everything that comes on the roof, so it has all the same color. And for the inside, this cream is, yeah, that's okay, you know, that's no problem. So let's clean this up. Well, I guess this looks good. I took my old little airbrush gun, which is like for the rough work, and you don't hear a compressor because it's the old compressor that I made myself about 35 years ago, and it's made out of a fridge pump and a air tank, brake tank from a truck, and it works fine for airbrush. And yes, I have to dilute the paint a lot, so it takes 5, 6, 7 layers, but it works. And now the roof light will be in the same color as the roof. I think I'm happy with this. Turned out great, same color as the roof, but before I upload this video I have to change the title into not installing a Fiamma roof light in the van, because this heat wave is going on and on. While I'm recording this, it's Friday morning, about 10 o'clock, and it's already like 37 degrees, and it's going to be 45 this day. It's going to be one of the hottest days, so no way you can be outside on the roof of the car. Impossible. So I will just, clean up a bit here in the workshop, because the workshop is really nice, isolated, insulated, well, isolated too. We're on the Lonesome Hill, so it's doable inside. I'm just going to put this in the box again, and then, when the weather gets cooler and the sun isn't that bright, then yeah, I can work on the car. But for now, I think this turned out pretty great, and yeah, it's nicer when it's a bit open, that you don't see that white on the side, but that it's the same color as the roof. For now, keep safe for all the people in Portugal, Spain, France, Greece, all these places where everything's burning right now. And I guess in the States they have some problems at the the spots where the problems always are too. Yeah, stay relaxed. We've got our emergency suitcase always ready. For now, the fire's kept away about 30 kilometers from here, but still it's hard to breathe outside, the ashes and things like that. It's getting a bit better now. They've got the big fire under control, but every day there are new fires, so we'll see. So keep safe, keep healthy, and see you in the next video, maybe installing this roof light, or maybe doing another project for the van at the logo.